Your fence is one of the first things people notice about your home. But over time, mold, dirt, and ugly stains can take over. Instead of spending thousands on replacing it, try these fast and easy hacks to make your fence look brand new without breaking the bank. If your fence is just covered in dust, pollen, or mild dirt, a simple wash can do wonders. All you need is a hose with a spray nozzle, a soft bristle brush or sponge, dish soap or mild detergent. Mix a few drops of dish soap in a bucket of warm water, spray down the fence, scrub in circular motions, and rinse. This removes surface dirt without damaging the material. If your fence has that nasty green or black mold, common in humid areas, here's an easy DIY mold remover. 1 cup white vinegar, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 cup warm water, spray bottle. Spray the solution directly on moldy spots. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Then scrub with a brush. Rinse with water and repeat if necessary. This works great for wood, vinyl, and even metal fences. If your fence has deep stains, mildew, or dark patches, you'll need a more powerful solution. Try this bleach cleaner. 1 part bleach, 3 parts water, a bucket and stiff bristle brush. Apply the mixture with a brush. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then rinse. If you have a pressure washer, set it to low or medium pressure and spray from a distance to avoid damage. This method restores even the oldest fences. Want to keep your fence clean longer? Apply a wood sealant or waterproofing solution every 1 to 2 years. This prevents water damage, sun fading, and future mold growth. You can find these at hardware stores or hire a professional fence cleaning service for a hassle-free job. Want to keep your fence looking great? We've got you covered. Whether you need advice or professional help, we're just a call away. Contact us at 781-767-3596 or visit CAANFenceInc.com today.